in camera, in-car POV. All right, everyone. We're currently reinstalling the oil pan because we welded the oil dump and fitting on so that we could hook it up to the new turbo. It's too bad we didn't show them my DIY weld job. 10 out of 10 will leak. What the hell is going on out there? Make sure that you wave the camera around it like an aeroplane.
Well, Jordan, what's going on?
Things for planning and lack of resources.
Yeah, lack of resources, baby.
Alright guys, so we have this fuel pressure issue because we installed the Hellcat 525 pump, and we ended up buying this regulator. Where is it, Jaden? So this is the reg right here. We paid like 300 bucks from Australia for this thing, and unfortunately our intake manifold totally interferes. As you can see, it's angled down in towards the intake, and this thing's pretty fat. It's a lot fatter than a factory Bosch fuel pressure regulator. So yeah, this is a spare 24 valve that we have in case we blow up the other one. Anyways, so I basically got a socket and a 1/4 inch extension that perfectly fits in the middle return area, and then we literally pried this backwards and it worked. So we're gonna try and do that in the car now.
Is it ghetto? Absolutely.
Oh, we got a problem. Okay, but I have a solution. So this doesn't fit because of the angle.
But we'll get a ball flex.
We have a wobble socket.
Wobble socket.
Which is more likely to shear off, but we're gonna try this. Okay, that works. That's crazy. All right, here we go.
Oh. This is what we do for horsepower. This is a crime against all VR6s across the world.
But dude, it like...
But holy shit, did that ever change the fucking angle?
It's almost there.
Done. So
it's also genius.
Unfortunately, we're maxed out, but we're trying our best. And we're probably damaging a lot of things in the process. But do I give a shit? Fuck no.
So before, this was like literally super impossible. The angle was like this basically, and we've managed to bend it so far. It's still, the fuel line is not touching the head. There's still a bit of debris in here, so I'm not going to fully install this, but you can see now it does sit where it needs to go. Alright guys, so it's all in. We don't have the turbo blanket on or the heat shield just because we were checking for leaks. We're going to reinstall that later. Batteries in, intake, downpipe, all that stuff. And go ahead and fire up. Pop something off. All right, one dead coil pack later, we're back.
We went down misery lane. Thought the engine was blown up.
Hold on, Jaden. I gotta grab the fucking, in case our intercooler pipe blows off, tool.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is good.
Oh. Whoa, that's so weird, man. Oh, it's back. That's on 5 pounds.
No, I think it went to 10 there. But you were low RPM, so.
Yeah. Alright, let's not f around. Let's check lambda.
Oh yeah, there we go.
The good shit.
Full tank, bro. Yeah, fueling was good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's about 17. Oh, broke up.
Did it?
Yeah. It's breaking up.
Weird.
Yeah, it's breaking up.
Why?
I don't know why.
All right, yo, we're on the way to a car show. Alright, even though this car doesn't have a proper fuel pump, we're just gonna take her for a drive and hope for the best.
Time to blow it up.
Yeah.
You alright if I adjust this? Oops.
Oh, the wipers!
We gotta wipe away all the tears of the haters, man. Oh yeah. Oh wow, it is loud, eh?
Yeah.
What's going on here? Well, that turbo's obnoxious.
Hello, neighbors.
Oh, that's fine. They're familiar with it.
Oh, okay.
Dude, this thing sounds so killer.
Yeah, it does sound good now.
Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing's gonna fuck.
Literally.
Yeah. This thing's going to kill everything on the road. Oh. Jordan, you have a beast on your hands.
I do, man. See, this could be way faster than the RS4.
Oh, it will be. Wow. Dude, it's fast even without like being able to hold it.
Yeah, I know.
Oh shit. That was a little too spicy. That wasn't a lot of throttle when it opened. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Too much.
Damn, okay, hold on, less clutch. Oh, there it was.
A little bit, yeah.
Holy shit, that thing got some. Alright, Jordan, show me how it's done.
Yeah, hold on.